welcome back to my channel once again. This is your man Alam, and today's tutorial we shall be looking at how to insert page numbers on your document. More specifically, how to insert different page numbers on different pages. Okay, or you can also start from a particular page and start numbering from there. And so without much ado, let's dive into the video and we carry on. All right, so this is my document, and for here I have only one page, so I have to generate more pages so that we can use it to do our illustration. Now if you want to know the page numbers, or you want to see your pages while you are working with, just come to where they write page of page 1. So wherever it is, that's on the left hand corner of your screen. You click on it, it will display the pages for you. So if you have headers, you click on headers. If you have result, you want to search something and get it, but here we want to get a page, so I have only one page, and therefore I'm going to generate random words that can increase the number of pages for us to use to work. If you want to generate a random words, just put a formula, and every formula starts with an equal sign. So run, and you type run, bracket open, let me say 15. The 15 here is the number of paragraphs you are going to get, comma, let me put here as 4, let me put 5. The 5 here is the number of lines in each paragraph, the number of lines in each paragraph. Then you press your enter. It has generated other ones for us. So you see that here this is a paragraph. I have 1 2 3 4 5, so it makes it 5 paragraphs. That's the 5 we kept there, and the number of paragraphs will be 15. So I can also generate more and add. So if I type run, bracket open, then if I put 6, so I'm going to get 6 paragraphs, and then comma, put 3, close the bracket. So the number of lines in each paragraph is 3. You press enter. See that 1 2 3. So that is how you can generate a random words to use in your web tutorial, or whatever you want to use it for. Now let's go ahead and now put page numbers on it. I want on page 1, from page 1 to page 3, I want to put Roman numerals. That's from I to III. So wherever you want to start numbering, come to the last page of that. So I come to page 3, the end here, and you come to page layout. That's layout menu, and you on the page setup group, you click on the arrow just close to the breaks, then you select next. So you are breaking to the next page. Okay, you are breaking to the next page. Now I can go ahead from page 4 to page 5, or to page 6 will be another different word numbering. So now that we have break up to page 4, come to the edge of page 4. Come to the edge of page 4. That is this one. So you double click on it on the page section. Now the header and footer section, sorry, and then you see that here's linked to previous page. I want to unlink it so there is no more link to the previous page. Now I can now put whatever page numbers I want to put, which will be different from the others. Come to page numbers on the insert group, and then format the numbers. I want it to start from Roman numbers, so I start from Roman number 1 to that, starting from where 1, and you close what? Okay. Now you can see that it's starting on the pages here, it's reflecting from I to III. That shows that what you are doing is correct, but it has not reflected in my document yet. So you come to the page numbers again, and now come to insert from the bottom. I want to use this. So because we are formatted, you can see that it has already been written there, I to II. So you click on it and your work is done for you. From page 4, that's from page 4. You can just click on it and bring it to page 4, the beginning of page 4. I want it to also start from, so double click on the footer and header place, and I insert from 1. So because I've already done the formatting there, the II and II is using here. So I come to page format again, and I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, starting from what? 1, and click OK. Now you come and insert it from the bottom, or is the middle one. So it's also labeled for you. So from 1 to 2 to 3. So from page 1, this was page 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3, and then the first 3 pages are also labeled as I and I. Now close the header. I can equally, let me add more, and then I can put a different one. So I can add more page if I want to do another example or add more pages to it. So I can, so on this page I want to get more pages, so that I can use that to explain further. I've gotten some more pages. So from the page 5, I want to have a different label. So bring it to the edge of that and come to page layout. Then you break it to the next section. And after that, you come to the edge of the page 6, and you can see that it has also started what? A different numbering. But here I want to start from, you double click on it, I want to start from A, B, C, D. That's using alphabet. So you come here and choose it, starting from A, and click enter, and that one is also done for you. Alright, so this is how you insert page numbers on your document on different pages. So you can see it clearly from here, from Roman numeral 1 to 3, starting from 1 to 5, and from A to C. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification button, so that when I release any other new video, you will not be left out. Okay, and then if you are a newcomer here, please do me a favor by subscribing. Have a nice time.